I just bought a new cage for this GoPro Hero 11. This one, if you can't already tell, has some modifications already. I have a third-party quarter 20 thread right there. This is not stock with the GoPro, third party. So I can screw in directly. And then on the side here, you can see there's an opening for the USB. And then there's also this extra cold shoe. Other than that, this is all what you get out of the box when you buy an 11. 11 is the same size as a 10, same size as the 9. So this would probably work with, oh no, this should work with all three. This one was about $30 when I got this. The prices might change. Not sure how I feel about it yet because I'm unboxing it and using it for the first time. But I will put these products to purchase on Amazon on the links below. This is the GoPro mount, but I'm already feeling... Oh no, this is all plastic. I thought this was going to be solid metal. I got plenty of these. Alright, this comes in a nice little padded pouch here. Oh, the pouch is pretty cheap. Ah, there we go. This is the Gurmoir cage, and it's for the 11, 10, and 9. It says right there. Oh, this is, I have to screw on. That's what this is for. Screw on the mount. Oh, this is just a quarter 20, so I guess I can screw this with anything. Maybe my own tripod plate. Yeah, this is solid metal. That's cool. And I think with the way that this is designed, there's an opening here, so it will fit. It should fit. Well, let's find out. How do you install this here? Oh, lifts up. And oh, what is this? Ah, there we go. That's why I got this. Does it already have it has a built-in UV filter. Yeah, so the reason why I got this cage is for this filter here, this lens thread filter. And this is a 52 millimeter, so I have to get some step-up rings, but I have a lot of 58 millimeter filters that I'm going to use on this, so I just need to get a step-up filter. But this is a 52 millimeter with a cap, and I think it just pops in like this. Oh no, it doesn't fit with this accessory here. Can I put it in and then put it in afterwards? Let's see. Okay, that fits. Okay, that's a tight fit. I guess that's good. Great, that's in there. And then you saw there's a little dot there to lock it in. Looks like you have a cold shoe here, cold shoe up here. And yeah, this opening, let's see if I can put this door back on. Oh, great. Okay, so I needed to take this Ulanzi accessory door off to put it in, but once it's in there, that's a perfect fit. Great. So I lose those, the built-in GoPro mounts and the quarter 20, but I have this quarter 20, so I can use that. And this is this is great. Pretty solid here. Solid metal. And then you screw in filters. I'm going to screw in my ND filters, which is why I got this. And then you put that on there. Lens cap. Nice. You really don't have to take this out, because now that you have this opening here, you could just release it and take all the batteries out, or use the USB-C. So this could just live in the cage forever. You have full access to the back panel, but this one is blocked because of the lens here, and it'll probably be blocked if I use adapters. So let me get a step-up ring and put some filters on and see what this looks like. And now I have a variable ND filter on my GoPro. Ooh, now that's completely, I can't use the front, but let's see what this looks like. I'll turn this one on. What I am a little concerned with is if there's vignetting. So let's see if there's vignetting on this. Oh, no vignetting. Great. Yeah. Well, I am shooting in 4:3 mode. Let's see what it looks like when I go into a different. Let's go 16:9. 16:9. Yeah, let's see that one. Okay. Great. This is big enough where you don't see the edges of the filter here. Let me try a different aspect ratio, or let me try the wide mode here. So let's go to, I'm going to say in cinematic, but let me go to, right now the lens is linear. Oh, no, I don't want that. Works with linear mode. Let's go wide. No, horizon lock. No, wide. Let's go wide mode. And in wide mode, yeah, no, I'm looking at the edges and I can't see the vignette. Okay, that's good. And then now let's try the super view. Oh, hyper view. I'm gonna try super view. Super view 16mm. Am I seeing the okay. Super view, I am seeing vignettes. So this won't work on super view. At least not a 58mm. Might need to step it up to 72. Now let's go to the hyper view 12mm, and that is not as usable, especially with the electronic stabilization going on. Yeah, so you can see the edges. Heavy vignettes, not pretty. But it works in the wide, so you can go wide and linear is what I always like to shoot with. I also bought these ND filters from Freewell that screw on right there, but it looks like this is gonna work for my needs, and I'm not gonna need these ND filters unless I want to go lighter because this is heavy. But I do like having this because I already have these filters here, these lens filters. Yeah, it's big. Well, I'll have to determine what my shooting situation is, whether this is a better deal than just putting on these small filters.